SLP Smooth Love Potion Price Prediction 2022. Performance in 2022. Smooth Love Potion has been one of the most exceedingly terrible performing digital forms of money this year. Smooth Love Potion has lost more than 85% of its worth since January 2022. Yet, it isn't simply SLP that is exchanging bring down this year. Practically all the digital currencies have been exchanging lower. Bitcoin, the biggest digital money as far as market cap, has lost around 55% of its reasonable worth this year. Ethereum then again is down 60% since January 2022. Discussing the most recent 5 days presentation of Smooth Love Potion is down 3% and Bitcoin is down almost 6%. ETH is the best performing among these three cryptos, yet it is additionally exchanging the red. What is Smooth Love Potion? Smooth Love Potion is the cash one gets compensated when they procure prizes in the Axie Infinity game, when you win a contest. SLP is utilized to raise virtual pets known as axies, which can be reared up to multiple times, and their costs start from 100 SLP for first reproduced till 2100 SLP for the 7th reared. Exchanging SLPs outside the game is extreme on the off chance that's certainly feasible, yet posting it on cryptographic money trades permits gamers to buy the token and advance beyond others in the game while becoming mindful of the genuine worth of the coin. A few fascinating realities of Smooth Love token are: Smooth Love Potion, SLP, is an ERC20 token utilized in the Axie Infinity gaming universe. Smooth Love Potion tokens are procured by playing Axie Infinity games, as the venture was established by Trung Nguyen, who left his job as a product engineer in the US to zero in on the venture. One of the fascinating realities about the SLP token is that the Smooth Love token is singed each time new axies are reared. However, regardless of being quite possibly of the most imaginative task, the security of the Smooth Love Potion network totally relies on the Ethereum network, as SLP is an ERC20 token and runs on the Ethereum blockchain. SLP Price Prediction. Performance in 2022. Smooth Love Potion has had a significant accident this year. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2022, SLP cost was more than 2 cents, and the force was exceptionally bullish. Be that as it may, with the economic situation turning most obviously terrible, Smooth Love Potion's cost additionally crashed. From exchanging more than 2 cents, Smooth Love Potion price went underneath 1 cent, and presently the cost of SLP token is hardly more than $0.004. Here is a finished presentation of Smooth Love Potion in 2022. January 2022. The period of January 2022 was a sign for the crypto market of the rough ride ahead. Smooth Love Potion entered 2022 esteemed at somewhat near $0.030. The general market cap of Smooth Love Potion token was near $90 million. Be that as it may, the cost of SLP crashed soon, and toward the finish of the main 7-day stretch of January 2022, Smooth Love Potion's cost went underneath 2 cents. The cost remained somewhat more than $0.010 up to the last 7-day stretch of January 2022. Somewhat recently of January 2022, Smooth Love Potion's cost crashed beneath $0.010, and one more zero added to the cost of Smooth Love Potion. SLP cost finished underneath $0.010 in January 2022, with market cap somewhat at more than $35 in February 2022. In February 2022, Smooth Love Potion price did endeavored recuperation on 2 or 3 events. From exchanging underneath $0.010, the cost of SLP token went more than $0.030 by February 10. The general market cap of Smooth Love Potion token took off to at more than $121 m. By the 15th of February, the market cap of SLP went more than $150 million. The energy of SLP token was profoundly bullish. Yet, soon SLP lost its force, and from exchanging more than $0.030, Smooth Lover Potion's cost went beneath $0.020 by February 20. Toward the finish of February 2022, SLP cost was marginally at more than $0.020, with market cap being at around $106 million. Walk 2022. With the beginning of Russia-Ukraine struggle, the crypto market as well as the financial exchange all over the planet endured a significant shock since the last 7-day stretch of February 2022. The condition began to fall apart in the long stretch of March 2022. Neither securities exchange nor the crypto market gave any indications of recuperation after the contention began. Smooth Love Potion likewise lost its force totally. SLP's cost was simply over $0.020 in the start of March 2022, yet the value began to withdraw further in March 2022. By the mid of March 2022, the cost of Smooth Love Potion was hardly more than $0.015, and the general market cap of SLP was simply more than $82 In the following 15 days, Smooth Love Potion acquired. The cost of SLP went more than $0.020 in the following couple of days, and toward the finish of March 2022, Smooth Love Potion was exchanging at more than $0.020, with generally market cap being at around $107 April 2022. April 2022 ended up being the start of the most exceedingly terrible stage for the crypto world. Smooth Love Potion, alongside all the digital forms of money, lost its energy totally in the long stretch of April 2022. One of the principal reasons was the declaration of climb in rate by the US Fed. In the principal 7-day stretch of April 2022, Smooth Love Potion price was at more than $0.020, and it stayed more than $0.020 up till April 8. The value began to withdraw from April 9. The cost of Smooth Love Potion crashed beneath $0.020 by and by. By the April 20th, the cost went nearly underneath $0.015. The merchants did attempted to keep the cost of Smooth Love Potion more than $0.015, yet couldn't hold it for, as the cost crashed underneath $0.015 and was exchanging insignificantly more than $0.010 toward the finish of April 2022. The general market cap of SLP was simply $58 toward the finish of April 2022. May 2022. In May things flipped around out too for Smooth Love Potion. The cost of SLP crashed hugely. In the primary 7-day stretch of May 2022, Smooth Love Potion cost was more than $0.010, yet